Imagine this, you roll out of bed, open your laptop, and boom, you're working a legit remote job that pays $15 to $30 per hour. No degree, no fancy experience. Today, I will show you 7 trusted websites hiring right now, plus a sneaky bonus that could set you ahead of 90% of applicants. Still logged in, you will want to cash site number 5. Welcome back to Logic Income Academy. Here I cut through the noise to give you the real online income strategies. No recycled clickbait. If you've ever typed remote jobs, no experience into Google, you know it is full of scams and dead ends. But in this video, I'm giving you real companies, real balls, and stick with me because toward the end, I will show you how to hack job alerts so you can be the first in line for openings. Let's dive in. First up is Foundever, formerly Concentrates. These guys aren't small. They employ over 170,000 remote workers across 45 countries. So that means they are constantly hiring for customer service and operation jobs. The beauty, you don't need prior experience. They train you on handling support tickets, phone calls, and chats. Pay usually start around $15 per hour in the US, sometimes a bit lower internationally, but they also offer benefit for long-term roles. Imagine this, you are in Lagos or Manila helping customers from a global tech brand while someone in Florida is doing the same work at the same pay. That is global leveling. One tip, when applying, filter by your region. Their job board lets you select work from home, global, and then your specific country. Comment below if you would take a customer service role to get your foot in the remote work door. Just type ready. At number 2, we have got Replay. On the surface, it is a payroll and HR software company, but they are also hiring remotely for tech support, onboarding, and customer experience roles. Here is the kicker. While Starbucks baristas in the US average $15 an hour, Replay support roles often list $25 to $30 per hour. That is nearly double, without standing on your feet all day. Plus, these roles are fully remote and open in multiple regions, not just the US. You will find them on Indeed, ZipRecruiter, or Replay's own site. But here is the insider angle. Their listings don't stay up long. If you see one, apply within 24 hours. That is because Replay jobs attract tons of applicants fast. And if you thought $30 an hour sounded good, the next site actually offers roles that grow into $50,000 a year without degree. At number 3, we've got something different, the Interaction Design Foundation. This one's for the creatives or anyone who enjoys problem solving. They are fully remote and their mission is teaching design to the world. The roles they offer include admin and support specialists, community manager, and content creator. Even if you don't have design experience, these roles often start at $15 to $25 per hour and let you work globally. Here is the cool part, working here builds portfolio credibility. Employers love to see names like IXDF on your resume because it signals you've worked in an international remote first culture. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not into design, don't worry. The next site is one of the fastest job boards in the world, and you can filter jobs with just 2 clicks. And at number 4 is Included Health, a fast-growing company in the digital healthcare space. Don't panic, you don't need to be a doctor. They hire for member support specialists, care coordinators, and patient advocates. Basically, you will guide patients over chat, email, or phone, helping them schedule appointments or access resources. The kicker, this job starts around $17 per hour and can climb to $25 per hour, plus healthcare benefits in some regions. Imagine this, instead of working in a noisy call center, you are helping someone book a doctor's appointment from your quiet bedroom. And this isn't US only, they recruit across multiple countries where they operate. If you would rather help people that push sales, drop a love emoji in the comments. This one is for you. At number 5, we have got Third Channel. Think of this as the secret weapon behind brands you see in stores. They connect remote brands representatives with companies like Adidas, Champion, and Logitech. Here's the deal, you log in online, monitor how products are performing in real stores, sometimes do virtual store checks, and provide feedback, and pay runs $15 to $20 per hour to start with flexible schedules. This is huge for students or anyone needing part-time work. No crazy experience required, just reliability and internet access. And here is a sneaky bit. Many reps later land full-time branch jobs because they already have insider experience. Now, if flexibility excites you, wait until you see the next site. They specialize in gigs you can literally do from your phone while traveling. At number 6, we have Jobgether, a newer remote-first job platform. What I love about it is the filter system. You can click no experience, select your country, and instantly see companies open to beginners. They feature everything from entry-level support roles to data entry to community moderators. And the salaries depend on the company, but plenty list jobs in the $15 to $25 per hour range. And unlike giant boss like Indeed, Jobgether focuses only on remote-friendly employers that saves hours of wading through office jobs. And you want to take note of this: when you set up alert on Jobgether, you will often be among the first 50 applicants. Crucial, since most employers stop checking after the first 100 resumes. So guys, would you use a smaller platform like this or stick to the big names like Indeed? Tell me in the comment section below. Finally, at number 7, we have We Work Remotely, the OG of remote job boards. Companies like Basecamp, Shopify, and GitHub have hired from here, and they are constantly listing roles in support, writing, data entry, and virtual assistant work. Entry-level jobs usually start at $15 per hour, but some companies scale up to $30 per hour. And one thing to take note of, this site is international, but some jobs are US only. So guys, always check the location filter. The advantage, their listings are curated and scam free. You don't waste time right here on this platform. So guys, hold on, before you click away to apply, I promise you a bonus strategy that can double your chances of landing interviews. Here is your bonus: don't chase jobs, make them chase you. Every site I just mentioned has a job alert featured. When you set alert for keywords like entry level or remote assistant, you will get emails the second a role goes live. You apply in the first hour and you'll be ahead of 90% of applicants. Second hack: tailor your resume with keywords from your job descriptions. For example, if a listing says customer empathy, drop that phrase in your resume. That is how you beat the ATS filters. And if you don't know where to start, just keep a master resume and make tiny edits for each application. Trust me, this 5-minute tweak could be the difference between radio silence and an interview. So there you have it, 7 trusted websites plus a bonus hack to land remote jobs paying $15 to $30 per hour. And here is what I want you to do next: pick just one site from this list and apply today. Momentum beats overthinking. If you found value in this video, smash that like button so YouTube pushes this to more people looking for real remote work. And don't forget to subscribe to Logic Income Academy, because in the next video I'm revealing 10 companies that are always hiring worldwide in 2025 and beyond. Until then, stay consistent and keep building your remote income path.